You're watching Lockpicking Legend, and we have got a trailer hitch coupling lock. In my day, it was known as a rubber duck, but if you got this one in your bath, the weight of it, you might be up at A&E explaining. Um, in the description, it says insertable. Yes. So good luck with that. But you know, these things are to hold your caravan on. They're required. This is to lock your caravan onto your car or whatever you're locking on. So I'm trying to single pick this. It's a heavy tension. You can see the plug moving out a bit there, but there's no binding at all. So unless you're going to suggest you were struggling with the binding in the bath with your insertable 50mm toe balls, I'd move on to a different technique. Yeah, there's nothing binding here at all. It's such strong tension. Nothing. It's kind of weird. You feel like you've got a binder, and as soon as you push it, you can see the whole plug moves, and nothing. So as we do in lockpicking, we move on to something else. Now we move on to a city rake, and people often ask why city rakes are in modern contemporary sets. They're an old pick. Why are they in modern contemporary sets? They seem to turn up everywhere. Well, that's why. They pick locks. They're fantastic. And there you go. Insertable 50mm toe ball out the bath. You've been watching Lockpicking Legend and his ball, his toe ball.